and later on we're gonna make videos on our souvenir collection from all around the world. You can see from Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Bali, Malaysia, Singapore. So we're gonna make another video for each of the country. China, you can see. So this is gonna be a separate video for these souvenirs. So thanks friend again for your time watching the video, and if you already didn't subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you and see you in the next video.